On average, one Malaysian produces about 1.44 kilograms of trash per day, and with zero point 0.8 or 55% of it can actually be recycled. But it is recorded that only 28% of our trash is being recycled yearly, whereas in Germany, the recycle rate is 3 times of ours, with it being 66.1%. Germany produces about 30 million tons of trash per year, but with the sufficient and excellent recycling system, that number can be reduced by up to 1 million. And that is why I strongly believe that Malaysia should learn from Germany, as we are recorded to be one of the lowest when it comes to our recycling rates. Although laws have been enforced throughout the years, such as no plastic straws and no plastic bags, and awareness has been spread out, but that is still not enough, as our people are already aware about the goods of recycling, but we are not really encouraged to do so, and not all of us can actually access to the bins and to the facilities that are required for recycling. A few solutions that we can come up with the inspiration of Germany is that we can start refundable recycling. In Germany, when you return a plastic bottle to a shop, you will get money for it. That is because every time you buy a bottled product, you will be paying the deposit of the bottle itself. And when you give back the bottle, you are basically getting back that deposit. This method has been proven to be really effective because who wouldn't want to be paid for doing something good? Another thing in Germany that we should follow is that recycling bins are accessible, as they are everywhere. Recycling bins in Germany are not only accessible, but they are also easily identified for each and every category of recyclable things. For example, these are used for glass, whereas these yellow bins are used for plastic, styrofoam, aluminum, and packaging. Biomeal or biodegradable recyclable items go in here, whereas paper has their own bins. The list of types of bins for every single type of material that can be recycled is literally endless. Another thing that we can take inspiration from Germany is that their fine rates for people that do not recycle are incredibly high. Although in Malaysia there are already punishments for people who do not take care of the ecosystem, but if you compare them to Germany, what we do in Malaysia is not enough. For companies that do not abide to the recycling system law, they are fined about 200,000 euros, which is the equivalent to 1 million ringgit. And each individual that goes against recycling is usually fined about 2,500 euros, which is the equivalent to 12,000 ringgit.